Unit rate with fractions. Claire boarded an airplane in Richmond, Virginia, and flew 414 miles directly to Charleston, South Carolina. The total flight time was 3/4 of an hour. How fast did Claire's airplane fly in miles per hour? So let's take the important information from the problem. The airplane flew 414 miles, and it says the total flight time was 3/4 of an hour. So I'm going to represent this using a rate. 414 miles over 3/4 of an hour. The question is asking the speed of the airplane per hour, and per means 1. So we're looking for the miles in 1 hour. To get from 3/4 to 1, we need to divide by 3/4. So I have to do the same thing on top. I'm going to take 414 over 1 divided by 3/4. I'm going to keep 414 over 1, change division to multiplication, and flip 3/4 to 4/3. Now I can multiply straight across. 414 times 4 is 1,656, and 1 times 3 is 3. I need to simplify. 1,656 divided by 3 equals 552. So I'm going to fill that into my rate. And now I can answer in a complete sentence saying, Claire's airplane flew 552 miles per hour. Graham drove 42 1/3 miles in 1 1/3 hours. How many miles did he drive in 1 hour? So let's take 42 1/3 miles, and let's write a rate, putting that over 1 1/3 hours. The question is asking for the number of miles in 1 hour. So since my hours are on the bottom, I'm going to put 1 hour on the bottom. To get from 1 1/3 to 1, we need to divide by 1 1/3. So whatever I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. Now to divide these two numbers, I need to turn them into improper fractions first. So 42 1/3 is an improper fraction, is 127 thirds, and 1 1/3 as an improper fraction is 4/3. I'm going to keep my 127 thirds, change division to multiplication, and flip my 4/3 to 3/4. Now I can multiply straight across. 127 times 3 equals 381. 3 times 4 is 12. Now I need to simplify. 381 divided by 12 is 31. There's 9 pieces left over out of 12. I can reduce even further. I'm going to bring my whole number along for the ride. And the greatest common factor of 9 and 12 is 3. So I'm going to divide by 3 on the top and the bottom. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now I can complete my rate. 31 3/4 miles. So we can say Graham drove 31 3/4 miles in 1 hour. A robot can complete 8 tasks in 5/6 of an hour. How many tasks can the robot complete in 1 hour? So let's take 8 tasks. And we know the robot does this in 5/6 of an hour. So I'm writing a rate. The question is asking for the number of tasks in 1 hour. So since my hours are on the bottom, I need to complete this by putting my 1 hour on the bottom. To get from 5/6 to 1, we need to divide by 5/6. And I have to do the same thing on top. So 8 over 1 divided by 5 6. I'm going to keep 8 over 1, change division to multiplication, and flip 5 6 to become 6 fifths. Now I can multiply straight across. 8 times 6 is 48, and 1 times 5 is 5. 5 goes into 48 9 times, and there are 3 left over, so I can complete my rate here. Now we can say the robot can complete 9 3/5 tasks in 1 hour.